How to fix Instagram Explore page not loading. Hey guys, if your Instagram Explore page isn't loading or showing a blank screen, it's usually due to app glitches, connectivity issues, or cache data. Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how you can fix it. First off, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch over to mobile data, and if you are on mobile data, switch over to Wi-Fi. And then you need to close and reopen Instagram. Once you have done that, you need to go to clear Instagram's cache. Long press on it, tap on the I button, then go over to storage, tap on clear cache down below. The next step is to go to permissions. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed. And then finally, you need to make sure you've used the latest version of Instagram. Go to Play Store, tap on search icon at the bottom, and simply search for Instagram. If you see an update button here instead of open, just update the app to its latest version and you're good to go. That's it for this video guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.